Hello friends, this is Swapnadeep. Welcome to my channel, The Kitchen Lover. Today I'll show you that how can you make twisties in your home. And I'm sorry, for few days I was unable to upload videos due to my... For making twisties, we need moong dal. I have soaked them for 4 hours. Next, we need Asafoetida, that is Hing. After that, we need Cumin seeds, then turmeric powder, then Ajwain, mango powder, salt as per taste, chili flakes, Nigella seeds and flour. Now pressure cook the soaked moong dal. After pressure cooking the moong dal, add 2 to 3 cups of flour in it. Then add Nigella seeds into it, half teaspoon. After that, add chili flakes, half teaspoon, turmeric powder, half teaspoon, Ajwain, half teaspoon, mango powder, half teaspoon, cumin seeds, half teaspoon, and add Asafoetida, half teaspoon, that is Hing, and at last salt as per taste. Mix all these ingredients very nicely and make a dough. After making the dough, make it flat like this and cut it with a sharp knife like this. Cut the large one from the middle like this. Make them twist like this. And now put them in the pan. So finally we have made it. See how much crispy they are. You can enjoy it with the evening tea.